If x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3, it is given me as x minus 1 upon x is 3, then find the value of this expression, x raised to the power 7 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 7. So, to get this expression, I need to multiply x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 into x cube minus 1 upon x cube, because I can find value easily from the given expression. So x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 into x cube minus 1 upon x cube. It will become how much? X raised to the power 7. This is plus 1 upon x minus x minus 1 upon x raised to the power 7. So it will become x raised to the power 7 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 7 minus time x minus 1 upon x. This value is given. I have to find this value, and I can find these two values. So from here, when I square both sides, x squared plus 1 upon x squared will become how much? Plus 2, 11. I know x minus 1 upon x is k, then x squared plus 1 upon x squared becomes k squared plus 2. And from here, if I again square both sides, it will become x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 equal to k square minus 2. That is 1 to 1 minus 2 on 1.9. I can find x cube minus 1 upon x cube. From the identity a minus b whole cube, I can write a cube minus b cube as x minus 1 upon x whole cube plus 3ab x into x a minus b. So this is the expression for a cube minus b cube, or the x cube minus 1 upon x cube. It will become 3 cube is 27 plus 3, this get cancelled, and it is given me is still, so it becomes 36. So now I have x cube minus 1 upon x cube and x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4. Multiplying these two values, it will get 1.9 into 36 is equal to x raised to the power 7 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 7 minus times the value of x minus 1 upon x is giving me as 3. Now it is 120 minus 1. I can write it as 0, 12 into 6, 2, 7, 36 into 7, 36 plus 7 is 43. So this is 120 into 36 minus 36 will become how much? 4 to 20, 16 minus is 84 is equal to minus 1 upon x raised to the power minus 3. So from here, x raised to the power 7 upon x raised to the power 7 becomes how much? 4 to 8, 7. So correct answer to this question is option B.